Updating your payment information on Facebook is essential for managing your ads, subscriptions, or purchases. Follow these simple steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Open your web browser or app and log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Step 2. Access settings. Click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page or the menu icon in the app and select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payments. In the left sidebar, find and click on Payments. This section will show you your current payment methods and transaction history. Step 4. Update payment information. Select payment methods and then click on Add Payment Method or Edit next to an existing method. Enter your new payment details as required. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your updated payment information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button and click it to confirm your updates. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Facebook. Regularly check your details to avoid any interruptions in your services.